Ready to turn those viral TikToks into real money in your bank account? Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your phone, the one you use to create all that awesome content. Next, navigate to your profile page by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once there, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on those lines. That's your menu. A menu will pop up from the bottom. From this menu, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. This is where you can manage all aspects of your TikTok account. Within the Settings and Privacy menu, look for the option labeled Balance. It might have a little coin or wallet icon next to it. Tap on Balance to see your available earnings. You should now see your TikTok balance. To start the withdrawal process, tap the Withdraw button. It's usually located near the top of the screen. On the withdrawal screen, you'll see different options for receiving your money, such as PayPal or debit card. Select debit card. If this is your first time withdrawing, you'll need to link your debit card to your TikTok account. You will need to enter your debit card information, including your card number, expiration date, CVV code, and billing address. Make sure you enter it carefully and accurately. Don't worry, it is safe and secure. Now, enter the amount you want to withdraw from your TikTok balance. Keep in mind there might be a minimum withdrawal amount and potential processing fees. Review the details one last time, including the withdrawal amount, the linked debit card, and any associated fees. If everything looks good, confirm the withdrawal. And that's it. You'll typically receive a confirmation message, and it might take a few business days for the money to appear in your bank account. Now go out there and create some more content.